Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a port scanner using Python. So it's really simple. We will just have an IP and we will write a script to scan all the open ports. So before I start the video, I just want to let you guys know that I have created a Patreon and they buy me a coffee. So if you want to donate and have your name at the end of every video, the links are in the description. So let's get on with the video. So we will only be using socket, which comes with Python. You don't have to download it. So first, make sure you have imported socket. Then we will have our host, which we will scan. So this, let's just say input URL/IP to scan. Now we have to turn this into an IP in case you put a URL like youtube.com or something. So scan IP will be equal to socket.getHostByName. And here we just have the scan host. So now let's just print the IP. So let's print scanning and then the scan IP. And now let's actually scan all of the open ports. So before we scan the ports, we should actually also set the default timeout so that it doesn't take too much time. So yeah, I'll just set it to 0.05. You can set it to more if it doesn't work, if it's a bit slower. So if it doesn't work, set it to something like 0.1 maybe. Anyway, so now we will just make a for loop for every port. So for port in range and 1 to, this is the maximum number of ports, 65,535. So for each port, we will try to connect to it. So let's make a try and accept. So we will try to connect to it. So sock will be socket.socket. We will just specify some settings. And now our result will be sock.connect the IP we have, so that's scan IP, and our port, like this. So if the result is 0, that means it was successful, so we can print port and then the port, like this, and also close the socket.close. So this is literally everything. It's just like 15 lines of code. It's really easy. So if we run this, you can specify any URL you want or the IP. So let's say google.com, and it will start scanning on the IP. As you can see, it already found port 80. Yeah, it's gonna take a bit. If it doesn't work, try with a higher default timeout, since it might not have time to connect if it's more laggy or something, I don't know. But this is basically it. So make sure to subscribe if you found this video helpful. All the links are in the description to the source code. And yeah, see you in the next one.